Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Gabby. I share all things to do with hair, lifestyle, and natural products that actually work. And today we're specifically going over things that you can do with coconut oil. First of all, let's go over benefits of coconut oil. Just to name a few, it aids in digestive. It also is really good and nourishing for your skin. It's an antibacterial. We're gonna dive in. Number one, coconut oil is good for removing glue off of your skin. The other day, my almost 2-year-old broke something and I actually fixed it with glue. And then I had this glue all over my hands and I was like, what do I do now? I was like, I use coconut oil for everything else. I was like, why not try coconut oil? So I did, and it was actually magical. I put it on and I rubbed it a little bit, and it did take a minute to come off, but the key was it actually came off. So I was really thrilled and it actually works. So give it a try. Number two is using coconut oil as a shaving gel. Yes, I tried this and I was really amazed. I was like, this is not gonna work. And then I went to lather it up and I was like, this is really not gonna work. After I actually tried it, it does work. I did a test for you guys just to be able to tell you how good or bad it works. So on one leg, I used regular bar soap, all natural bar soap. Then on the other leg, I used this coconut oil. I was really amazed at the difference. With the coconut oil, it was a closer shave. Like my legs felt smoother. Not even kidding. When I got out of the shower, my legs felt buttery, like I had just put lotion on them. They were so smooth and so soft and so moisturized. I was really impressed. It was really awesome. So I would highly recommend that you at least give this a try. It doesn't take much coconut oil, and just see what you think. I actually purchased it in a huge tub like this.
All products mentioned are in the description below.
And then I like to put it in smaller containers so that I can leave it in my bathroom or in my tub and different places like that. If you're liking this video so far and it's helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also ring the little notification bell to get all of my future videos. But number three is cooking. So you can use coconut oil for cooking pretty much anything. You're gonna replace your olive oil or any oil for that matter. And one of my favorite things that recently I've been doing with it is using it as butter on my toast. So I eat gluten-free and I eat gluten-free bread, and I put this coconut oil on my toast. I have digestive issues, so I'm always looking for alternatives that actually work well. And those two things really, really work well for me. Number four is a hair mask. It's best if you can get in the shower and you shampoo your hair one time and then you would put the coconut oil on second. I actually used it just on my dry hair, kind of melt in your hands, and then you just kind of run it through your hair. And I let it sit for 10 minutes on my hair, and it did the trick. It was very moisturizing and made my hair feel really soft and silky. I do not put it on the roots of my hair. I'm fearful that it will make it too oily because my hair has a tendency to be oily. However, I see a lot of people putting it on the roots of their hair to stimulate like hair growth, but I do not recommend that. I recommend keeping it from, the mid shaft down. I also have two other products that I really love to use. One is this leave-in conditioner. It's really good. It's also a protectant. It does not take much at all. If you use too much, it will kind of make your hair oily and heavy. So you don't use it every day. You use it like once a week and you just spray it in, and it's a leave-in. It's a heat protectant. It's moisturizing your hair. It's so good. I also recommend this along with the coconut oil. The other product I recommend as a hair mask is this one right here. It's a deep conditioning, and instead of being like a conditioner, this is actually a protein. So you need both in your life. You need a protein and you also need a moisturizer for your hair. Those are the two kinds of masks that your hair needs, especially if you're a blonde, because you're actually pulling out the protein when you dye your hair or lifting your hair, lightening your hair. You're actually pulling out the protein. So you need a hair mask about every 2 weeks, once a month, depending on how dry or how brittle or bad your hair is, and you just leave it on for a few minutes. But I really love and recommend this product. Number 5 that I use coconut oil for is to remove my makeup. So I'm talking all makeup, my face makeup, as well as my eyes. My eyes are so sensitive. Finding a remover that doesn't make my eyes like dry and sensitive is really hard, but coconut oil has come through for me. I really love coconut oil. It works really well. Which leads me to number 6, body and face moisturizer. I use coconut oil on my face pretty often. I would not recommend using it like if you have somewhere to go the next day and you're not gonna wash your hair, because it's gonna get in your hair, it's gonna make your hair oily, and that's not good. So do it on a night that you're planning to shampoo your hair the next day or something like that, because it's definitely like oily, but it's so good for your skin. I like to put it, you know, on my neck and arms, anywhere. On your lips, works really good for lip balm. Some people make lip balm out of it. I haven't tried that yet, but all of these I have tried. Which leads me to the next one. Number 7 is it helps relieve eczema and skin irritations. It is very soothing for anything that you need. If you have eczema and if you put it on there, it's moisturizing, it's helpful, it's soothing for anything that you need soothing on your skin, in your mouth. It's very soothing and good for eczema. Last but not least is teeth whitener. So I mentioned that in this video up here. You can whiten your teeth. All you do is you take a little smidgen of the coconut oil, you put it in your mouth, you swish it around. You want to keep it anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes. It grows in your mouth, so just a little dab will do. It's so good and cleansing and antibacterial for your mouth and for your teeth. There's studies that's been done where it's actually so healthy and good for everything to do with your dental health. I would highly recommend trying it out for whitening your teeth. So guys, I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and let me know that you liked this video in the comments below. I'll see you guys on the next video.